Have you ever wondered how people in the news read so well from a teleprompter? If you struggle to read from a teleprompter smoothly or feel anxious about using one for your videos, make sure you stay tuned. Today, I'm going to share some hacks to help you read from a teleprompter like a pro. With these tips, you'll be delivering your script effortlessly like never before. Familiarize yourself with the script. Firstly, and most importantly, you need to familiarize yourself with the script before recording. Take some time to read through it several times so you understand the content and flow. This will make your delivery more natural and prevent stumbling over words while reading. Practice with a slow scroll speed. When you start using the teleprompter, set the scroll speed to a slower pace. This will give you time to process the words and deliver them smoothly. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the scroll speed to match your speaking pace. Focus on your speaking tone. Pay attention to your speaking tone while reading from the teleprompter. Aim for a conversational and natural tone, as if you're having a friendly chat with your viewers. Avoid sounding too scripted or monotone, as it can disconnect your audience. It's best if you record yourself and watch it back a couple of times so you can see if there's anything you'd like to correct to sound and look more natural. Make pauses and pacing. Don't rush through the script. Instead, incorporate natural pauses in your delivery. Pauses allow your audience to digest information and add emphasis to specific points. Pacing your speech will make your content more digestible and enjoyable to listen to. Practice with different font sizes. Find the font size that's most comfortable for you to read without straining your eyes. My personal advice is to set the font size quite big so your eyes will not move left and right as you're reading lengthy rows and sentences. Remember, readability is crucial to deliver your content confidently. Using our Teleprompter app allows you to turn on bionic reading, which is a new method that helps guide your eyes through the text with artificial fixation points. Highlighting the most concise sections of words helps your brain recall previously learned words more quickly. As a result, you experience a more in-depth reading process that leads to better understanding. And the app's fonts are completely customizable, which makes it possible to set the Open Dyslexic Typo. It's a new open source font designed to improve readability for dyslexic readers. By projecting the letters' unique shapes and heavily weighted bottoms, it helps you recognize the correct letters and occasionally prevents your brain from spinning them around. Plus, it might also serve to reinforce the line of text. You can access these features at Settings, Playback Settings. Record short segments. If you have a lengthy script, consider breaking it into smaller segments. Record shorter parts individually and stitch them together later. This approach allows you to focus on delivering each section flawlessly and minimizes retakes. Be patient and persistent. Reading from a teleprompter can be challenging initially, but don't get discouraged. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing regularly. With time and persistence, you'll notice significant improvement in your teleprompter reading skills. Seek feedback. Finally, seek feedback from friends, family, or fellow content creators. Constructive feedback can provide valuable insights into areas you can further improve. Embrace constructive criticism and use it to refine your teleprompter reading abilities. You now have some fantastic hacks to read from a teleprompter like a pro. Remember, practice and preparation are key to mastering this skill. Don't forget to apply these tips in your next video and witness the positive impact they'll have on your on-camera presence. I hope you found these hacks helpful. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips. Do you have a hack that we didn't mention? Let me and the other teleprompter users know in the comments.